WCMO, News Center 15, Marietta College Broadcasting. See you next time.
We just finished one of our broadcasts in the WCMO studio. Let's go take a look behind the scenes.
This is our blue screen where we film entertainment and weather.
And this is the screen that the weather and entertainment person gets all their information that they need to know. And this is our sports station.
This is where we cover all of college, professional, and national sports.
And these are our cameras. This is where the camera operator will stand and get the perfect shots for our news. And this is our interview set where we hold most of our interviews.
Typically we have special guests like Boris who hangs around.
Come on, let's go check out the control room.
This is our control room, and this is where we talk to the people in the studio by pressing this button and speaking into the microphone. Moving on, we have where we switch our TV panels from what's in preview to program.
Now we have our audio board where all the mics are hooked up to this and we can control their volumes and when they can speak and when they're muted. And this is actually a brand new audio board that we just got, so it's really nice that we get a brand new set to work with. Now, this is our prompter computer where we can control how fast our script is going. So, a little trick to remember is F4 is to go, and F3 is to stop. And of course, if we move over here, down arrow is for it to slow down, and up arrow is for it to move faster.
And lastly, we have our graphics, which shows our ads and everything when we are done. And that wraps up our tour of the News Center 15 WCMO studio.
And we just wanted to say thank you for watching and thank you to our donors, because without you, we wouldn't be able to do what we enjoy.
See you next time
on News Center 15.